Alright, guys, today let's learn how to airdrop photos from iPhone to the same iPhone. Okay, so the first thing we should do is to, of course, head on to our control center and then head on over on long press over here and then click over here, click on airdrop, receiving on everyone. Okay, so now we have airdrop receiving and as well as sending to everyone now. Now, of course, if you want to send some photos, then click on the Photos app right here, and let's just click on our favorites right here. And then I'd like to send maybe these 3 photos right here. 1, 2, 3. And of course, in order to actually send this via airdrop, just click on here this share button right here, and then click over here on the airdrop button right here. Alright, so now currently, right now, we don't have any people who have an iPhone around. So whereas in your case, if you have an iPhone user around and you want to actually send these photos to them, what do you want them to do? Is what I did a while ago, which is go over to their control center, long press over here on this location right here, just in the middle of between these icons, just long press right there. And then you'd like them to set the airdrop phone we're in. You could actually airdrop the photos to that specific person. Alright, so once you have that establish and of course choose the photos. Have the other person turn on their airdrop receiving option to everyone. Just click on their names over here on this location right here where you can see this screen. And then once you have done that, you're basically done. You have sent the photos to them. Just click on done and then you can safely exit this. And you've basically accomplished sending photos from iPhone to another iPhone through airdrop. Okay, guys, thank you